Is the lace in the room?
No steps in.
I don't think she's here. Hey y'all, so we're gonna start off with, of course, no ball cap method, but I did gel my hair back, and this is the hair. This is the Unit 14 from Butta Lace, which I love. So we're gonna start off with, of course, wiping off that makeup and all that extra sweat and all the extra stuff that you don't need. We wiping all that off. And y'all won't be talking through this whole install, but I want to just pop in to show you key points, like all that makeup right there. These are key points that I want y'all to know about during this install. And of course, we got the Erica J Hold Me Down. And he said, I'm going to let y'all watch and just put music over this, but notice how I'm not touching my edges at all. And I'll be back.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
And you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. For me, you're like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. For me, you're like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back?
Y'all, I've laid down my ear tabs about 1,000 times just now, and they're still rising, so that's what I'm waiting for. But after that, I'll continue the video. After they lay down, I shall be back.
One eternity later.
Okay, let's see what's going on under here, because like I told y'all, the ear tabs was not ear tabbing. It was trying to run away, like, okay, it's down. Okay, so since I'm trying this little thing that this girl said on TikTok, this little method, even though it's taking like a break for me to even do half of the method, I'm gonna still try. So the first step was the glue, right? And then she said that the next step she was doing was even, and I still got a little bit left. I got more got to be than this, but yeah, her next step was even, so we gonna use the even.
No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
And I've used even before, so this is not like a new product to me, obviously, since I have it here and it's halfway gone. But I'm gonna try to do the method that she, like, because that's what she said to do. So we're following this method. And I like the tie my band in the back. because it just makes the band way more tighter. I feel like my band's gotten looser since I've used it so much. So now I have to tie it for it to be tight enough. We're gonna take this little piece right here. Clamp it, start from the top, clamp it, and then go outwards. But I've been burned. And I've been burned by like a go-kart. So I just be scared. That's probably why I never really curl my hair. Clamped it. And then she started twisting around or something. I don't know. Okay. I think that's good. Let's try it again, because that might have just been good luck. You know, because people have good luck sometimes. But let's try that method again, because that might be actually good. That might be the only way I know how to do it. Until I get some real curling irons and actually like practice. That's probably the only way I know how to do it. The right way for me. I don't know if I did this. Did I do this, y'all? I don't know. Give the replay. Okay. That's not bad. That's more looser than the other one. That's not bad though. Okay. Okay, let's try one more time. That wasn't bad. Oh, they don't get super hot, so. And then I just drag it down. Oh my gosh. That's actually good, y'all. Like, don't play. Don't play. That's actually good. That's not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. Okay, y'all. So the last step was spritz. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add the spritz. That's supposed to make it seamless. That's the last step. And I'm not about to put my band on again. I'm about to freaking, what's it called? After this, I'm about to use a scarf because I can't. I literally cannot with this band. It's hurting my ears, y'all. Literally hurting my ears. So we're just gonna be ghetto and use a sock. Oh no, my scarf is right here. Okay, we're gonna use this scarf instead of the band. Cause baby, I don't know who made bands, but they lost their mind. Bands hurt too bad, bro. This process is long. But she said it's supposed to be seamless. And I also did not add makeup to this at all. Well, I did at the beginning a little bit, but for the most part, I didn't add like too much makeup. So that's not even tight enough. Let's set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes later.
Okay, y'all, it's time for the big reveal. We're gonna take this off. It's been more than 10 minutes because I've been making TikToks. Yeah. So let's see what's going on under here. I'm I also didn't add makeup to it. It's not bad, right? It looks seamless. We're gonna add makeup to it. Let's add some makeup. I don't know what you just see now. Let's try to breathe. But the glue is gluing for sure. That's good, y'all. For the most part, it's good. I just needed to add makeup like I was supposed to in the beginning. That made it so much better. It looks very seamless. Now for the big part. You can barely see that lace. And I got extra lace over here. This is all lace. And you can't tell that it is. So I feel like the method did work, if we being honest. So shout out to her. You can't tell that that's lace at all. Let's see it from the back camera. The back camera will tell it all. So can y'all see the lace? Is the lace showing up? Is the lace in the room with us? Yes or no? Now, I ain't even do the edges yet, so let me know something. Is the lace in the room? I don't think the lace is in the room. I don't think she's here. Okay, y'all, we about to do the edges. This wig already came with edges on the wig. I had just pushed them back, so now I'm just trying to find where they were. But I feel like I'm gonna just make some more. And they don't need to be this long, baby. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. I'm scared. It's too short.
It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. It's beauty in the struggle. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success.
I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special.
Okay, y'all, whatever is under here is just what we going through. Whatever is under here, y'all, that's just what it's going to be. That don't look bad. I've never given myself credit. Like, it really look good, y'all. These edges don't match each other, but who's complaining? You and me. Y'all, why is there still another piece to add to the edges? Oh my god. But there's no pieces on this side. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. This is what it is. This is the final look. I feel like the install came out way better than I thought. At first, it was giving me, I don't know, but I mean, I can work with it. This is also my first time doing edges on an install in general, so I feel like I did good for my very first time. Comment down below what you liked in this video. We out. I'm about to go record another video since I'm already cute and it's late at night. Other than that, y'all, see y'all in the next one. Love y'all.